How to change address on AliExpress. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your application AliExpress. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is move into account at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will land you on this page. You can see the option of shipping address or ship to. Move into any one of it and tap on Add New Address at the bottom. Now in this page, you will have to enter all of the details of your address. Choose a specific location that you want to add. Once selected, enter the contact information and detail of the address. After that, tap on Save. Once done, or else you can also head over to Ship To and select the address or the country that you want to add. Follow the on-screen process and then your country and the location will be changed. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.